Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am also fine, students. Okay, shall we learn in commerce the third lesson? Okay, third lesson what we have left out when that in the deleted portion that I have not taught you that time. So since I have taken this lesson also for the first midterm. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I am teaching now the third lesson. Okay, only 3 lessons I have taken. So you have to listen carefully and you have to study. Okay. First, I will give one introduction about management by objectives. And this lesson is teaching two principles. Okay, one is management by objectives and another one management by exception. Okay, these are the two management system. First, I will explain what is management by objectives. This is also called as in short MBO. MBO, MBE. Okay, what is this MBO? It is one of the kind of management system. Here, each and every member of the organization is given importance. Okay, and he participates effectively in the organization in order to achieve the organizational goal. So here each and every member is given more importance, and every member will participate in the that achieving the organizational goal. Okay, and here this one is popularized first by one person, George Audion. He was in USA. Here he is defining, okay, this MBO system. He is defining like here are the superior and the subordinate managers, superiors and subordinates. Usually superiors and subordinates, they never join together and do a work. Okay, the superiors will give orders to the subordinates to do. Okay, and the superiors will get the work from the subordinates. That is the usual practice. But here he says the superior and the subordinate managers, they jointly identify the common goal of the organization. Okay, and each one participate, and each one is having his own responsibility, both the superior as well as subordinates. Okay, both have their own responsibilities. Okay, and here each one has to contribute also for the achievement of the goals. Each one contributes his own participation. Okay, so that is called management by objective as per Audion. Okay, he can say that it was popularized in United States of America. One definition is given by him. This definition is not a question, okay, so no need to study by heart, but you should understand what it is. Okay, then now we will learn about the objectives of MBO. Okay, what is the first point? Objectives, the main aims of this MBO. Here the main aim is to measure and judge performance. Okay, to measure and judge performance. What is the meaning? Measure and judge performance. Each one has to perform in the organization in order to achieve the goal we have studied. That is called MBO, isn't it? So each one's performance is measured and judged by everyone. Okay, that is called to measure and judge performance, everybody's performance. Okay, then to relate individual performance to organizational goal. Here each one is performing, his performance will be related, it will be compared with the organizational goal. Okay, that is another objective. Then the third one, to clarify both the job to be done and the expectation of accomplishment. Okay, what they expect from each and every employee and what job he has to complete within the prescribed time, that will be clarified, that will be cleared. Okay, that is one of the objective, that it will be clearly mentioned. If I write the point and it will the time will be lost, that's why I have written already in the okay. Now the fourth point, to foster the increasing competence and growth of the subordinates. That subordinates means the people, those who do the work, isn't it? So they have to increase the competency, how their competing power, how expertise they are, and the growth of subordinates, that should be encouraged and it is fostered. Okay, that is the fourth point. Fifth one, to enhance the communication between the superiors and the subordinates. Here each and every person's responsibility is defined, isn't it? And the superior has to explain everything to the subordinate. So here what is increasing the communication, okay, between the superior and the subordinate. Everything is explained by the subordinates, by the superior to the subordinates, and to serve as a basis for judgment about salary and promotion. So here we have studied in the beginning itself, they measure and judge performance. So why they judge that performance? In order to to judge about the salary and promotion, whether that person, if the person does everything very good, better, then he will be promoted and he will be given more increment in their salary. Okay, so this one is serving as the basis for judgment about salary and promotion. Then seventh one, to stimulate the subordinates motivation. So here the subordinates means the lower level workers. Okay, the superiors will get the work, subordinates will do the work. They are motivated. How? Because of this reason also, they are given more salary and promotion. So this is in stimulating the subordinates motivation. Okay, they will be motivated. If I work hard and if I do perform, or if I perform well, I will be given more salary, I will be promoted. So that is becoming a stimulate for the subordinates motivation. Okay. Then to serve as a device for organizational control and integration. Okay, so the whole organization will be controlled, and integration means all will work together. Okay, so they will be working together and there will be a proper organizational control. So this MBO is acting as a device for organizational control and integration. This is one of the very short answer. Okay, to mark any 3 or 4 points you can write. Okay, that objectives we have studied. Now we are going to learn about the features. 10 features there. Okay, I will explain that. Features of MBO. MBO, you know, that each and every member of the organization is given equal importance. Then everybody participates and everyone involves in the goal setting process. Okay, so everyone is given much importance in the organization. So what is the first features? Many of the objectives also will come as the features. Okay, so this MBO is an attempt, it is made by the management to integrate the goals of the organization and the individual. Okay, so organization and individual, so they are integrated both. Each individual also has his own goal, then the whole organization is also having a common goal. So they will integrate both these two. So what is happening? This will lead to effective management. Okay, it is very good system of management, this MBO. Okay. Now second point, second feature, MBO combines the long run goals with the short run goals. Long run goal, we can say the goals of the organization. Okay. And short run goal, we can say the individual's goal. So we are combining these two. Long run means, okay, for example, we can say the long run goal of the students. They have to score, send a mark or send a result. What is the short run goal? There they have to write the test and they have to get pass mark. Okay, with the every monthly test, midterm test, then quarterly, half-yearly, term test. Okay, so it combines long run goals with the short run goals. Then third one, MBO, that means the management. Okay, that tries to relate the organizational goal with the society goal. Not only that individual, they are coming outside also, or they are relating the organization goals with the society goals. Okay, the external goal. Then fourth one, here MBO is not only giving importance on goals, but they are giving more importance for effective performance of the employees. Okay, performance must be effective. Not only that achieving goal, they are giving more importance in the effective performance. Then they give constant attention in what? About the refining, modifying and improving the goals of the organization. Okay, and what they do, since they give more attention in the refining, modifying and improving the goal, they will frequently they will change the approaches in order to achieve the goal on the basis of experience. Okay, once they fulfill 1 year, okay, they get 1 year experience and they can do some changes in the organization goal. Okay, they can refine or they can change or they can give do some improvements in the goal. Then it increases the organizational capability of achieving the goal at all levels. Okay, so the main aim is to achieving the goal, and many levels are there, lower level, higher level. Okay, so it increases the organizational capability. Every department can achieve. Okay, because that they are capable to achieve the goal. Okay, and high degree of motivation and satisfaction is available. We have learned in the feature, they are performing as per their measurement and judging the performance, they will be given more salary and promotion. We have studied, isn't it? So here the employees, they have high degree of motivation and satisfaction. Okay, that is one of the best features. And the eighth one, it recognizes the participation of employees in goal setting process. That's the main thing. Okay, MBO only recognizes the participation of employees in goal setting process. Never they will allow the employees in goal setting process. Who will do the goal setting? Only the management. Okay, but here in MBO only they recognize, okay, the participation of the employees also can participate in the goal setting. Okay, what are our goal? Okay, they are given chances, employees. Then the ninth point aims at replacing the exercise of authority with consultation. There is no authority but consultation there. They can consult with the employees, and the employees can consult with the management. But here they replace the exercise of authority. Authority means what? The power. In the first lesson we learned, authority means they have the power to do anything. That harmony, not discard. Okay, that discard. Okay, rule of thumb. That authority means rule of thumb. Do this one, do that one. We are asking them. So they are replacing this exercise of authority with what? With consultation. They can consult with the employees. Employees can consult with the authorities. Okay. Then the last point is encourages a climate of trust. Okay, because on the part of the employees, they can trust the employees also can trust the management also trust the employees. Then goodwill, everybody is given importance, everybody is allowed to take participate in the goal setting process. Okay, and there is a will, everybody is willingly they are performing their duties, they are motivated because if they perform well, they will be given more salary or promotion will be given. So it is encouraging. So it's a very good system of managing the people in a business organization or any type of organization. Okay, so the features is the question answer of 3 mark. Okay, write the features of MBO. Okay, features of MBO. Then objectives of MBO, that 2 mark 1. Okay, so you can write 3 or 4 points. Okay, students. Okay, then you will it will be very useful for you for the writing of your test. Okay, so better you learn these question answers, 2 question answers, and read the full up to the meaning, definition, objectives and features. Okay, all the points you read and understand. I have explained everything clearly, and if you have any doubt, you ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, students, thank you very much.